everybody, welcome back. Happy Friday. Another episode in the Know with the Now Team podcast with my buddy George.
Yes, sir.
Ben, bringing it to you like we always do.
Yeah.
Right for the sponsor.
Let's go.
Touch of Class Cleaning, Miss Serena Ray. They do specialize in commercial and residential cleaning. The main thing I love is they work side by side with realtors.
Yeah.
So if you want to focus on a room, basement, anything like that, they can do that for you, no problem. They do work with contractors and developers also.
Builders,
So
yeah.
if you need like a post-construction clean out,
Yep.
no worries on that. Call Serena Ray, 314-644-3101. George, you ever met Serena?
Absolutely, I've met Serena. Maybe a little sweetheart. I don't know.
Not too bad. Okay.
All right.
We're going to loop that right into our homeowner tip for the week, which is call Serena and get your house professionally cleaned before you list it. Everybody thinks their house is clean, which is understandable. You take pride in what you do, but at the same time, get a professional there.
Yeah.
You have a professional for your doctor's office visits, mortgages, real estate.
First time people are coming through the house too. First impressions.
Dude, that's
Right?
number one. That
Yeah.
costs you thousands of dollars, that first impression.
Yeah.
Bad smell, looks dirty, anything like that could really hurt you.
It's worth the investment to go ahead and get this done.
$250
Yeah.
as opposed to thousands of dollars, might as well do it.
Yeah.
Other than that, get the house clean. That's our tip for the week. George, you got a little something different. Rates aren't going down anymore, are they?
They're not going down. We've kind of hit a little bottom, you know.
Okay.
What's happened is I think the bond market's correcting itself a little bit.
Sure.
And we also got everything going on. There's a lot of international news going on right now with tariffs going back and forth with China, things like that.
China. Yes.
So rates are still great though. So
Okay.
you know, my message out there is hey, if you're on the fence, you're thinking about doing a refinance, you're thinking about buying a house, I think it's still a great time to do it. If rates drop again in the near future, you know, one of the great things at Endeavor Capital is once you are a client of ours, you know, we do a no-cost refinance for you after 6 months. So
What do we always say on the Now Team?
No-brainer.
There we
No-brainer.
go.
So kind of going into some of the other things that I got as far as a mortgage tip this week.
Okay.
Your escrow account. We're going to talk a little bit about that. So when you
Okay.
buy a house, we always set you up for an escrow account for your taxes, your real estate taxes, and your homeowner's insurance.
Yep.
Same thing when you refinance. That account is already set up for you. When we refinance you, we're setting up a new escrow account.
Okay.
What's
So
going to happen?
left over?
What's left over is going to come back to you in the form of a check from your mortgage servicer.
There you go.
Probably about 3 weeks after the transaction.
Okay.
So what I'm suggesting is instead of taking that money and going out and spending it,
Buying a new TV.
new TV, who knows
NFL
what?
just started, college football just started.
Right.
Get
I
that
mean,
new plasma. There
right,
you go.
right. Stay with the TV.
So don't do the TV.
Don't do the TV. What I'm saying is let's figure out a way to cut maybe your term down on your mortgage.
There you go.
Take that reimbursement that you're getting from your escrow account, make a principal reduction payment. You could shave a couple of years off of the term on your mortgage.
Thousands of dollars.
Absolutely.
As opposed to maybe one good football season with that TV.
Yes, exactly.
There you go.
So,
Awesome.
Speaking of football,
Speaking of football, college game day this week. We're in Ames.
you got a little experience there. I've never been there. Tell me.
Iowa State.
Yeah.
Ames is incredible. Been there. Went there when I was in college. Went and visited another fraternity chapter.
Okay.
But the place is electric.
And this is a huge rivalry.
Oh,
in-state, huge rivalry.
in-state rivalry. Pre-game, game time, and post-game. It's all awesome.
All right.
Trust me.
So it's on.
It's kind of a sleeper. People don't realize middle of nowhere, Midwest, Ames, Iowa. Super awesome.
Who do you like?
I'm gonna go with home dogs. They're getting points. I know we don't do the spread on the podcast, but that's got
They're
to
getting
make
points at home.
that's got to make you a little mad. They're getting 2.5 to 3 at home.
Wow.
Because Hawkeyes are 19 in the nation, something like that. So yeah, I like Iowa State.
All right. All right.
Producer Dave, we missed you last week. We apologize.
But you are 0-3.
He is 0-3. We knew his pick. You guys
We knew he
didn't
was
see
going
it.
with Texas.
You like Hawkeyes this week? Maybe you like, what do you think?
I'll go with Iowa.
Oh, no Cyclone pick. Okay.
I'm gonna jump on.
I'll leave it at that.
I'm gonna jump on producer Dave's bandwagon. I'm going Iowa as well because of what I've seen what they've done to LSU in some previous bowl games.
So is you guys first meet, but that's fine.
But hey,
I like it that way.
back to our game last week, LSU Texas. Producer Dave didn't make his pick. Can you believe we had no air conditioning in our locker room and we still whipped the Longhorns?
Maybe that's why Coach O couldn't talk very well.
Coach O always talks well.
It was close.
It
Oh,
wasn't
man.
close. We let him get a gimme touchdown at the end. Come on.
Well, still an exciting game. We'll look forward to the next one this Saturday. Real quick before we cash out, new listing in St. Charles. That's 3244 Janton. That's in St. Charles Hills.
All right.
Right across Zumba from St. Charles West. Super popular neighborhood. 3-bed, 1-bath. Right about 900 square feet. It's going to be on the market for an awesome price, $155,000.
Got it.
So probably one of those multi-offer situations. Just because of the market, it's still awesome right now. But check that out. Now Team Facebook page. We'll have that up here probably tomorrow.
See if we can find you a buyer.
There you go. 3244 Janton. Until then, Friday 2 p.m. We'll
Good
see you
seeing you, my
next week
friend.
in the Know with the Now team. Thanks a lot, guys.
Have a good weekend.